Hi, good morning. Welcome to the live session brought to you by My Skills, My Future. Hope you are doing well. Today, in this video, I want to discuss few problems from quantitative which were appeared in previous examinations. Fine. Before going to start the session, so please do subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all joining this particular program. Okay, we go to the problems. Let me share my first screen. First problem. All right. See, in the examination, we cannot find order of the topics. Now here the first question comes from time and work. Yes. Look here. Now in this first question, let me read it. P and Q can complete a job in 24 days working together. The sentence is given very clearly. P and Q do a job in 24 days. Wonderful. P alone can do it in 32 days. P alone in 32 days. Great. Both of them worked together for 8 days and then P left. Let me write the scenario. PQ initially started the work. Both they worked for 8 days and then P left. P left. So he is available now, Q. So this person worked for X days so that one work is completed. Now this equation gives the clear information what is going on. Here PQ worked for 8 days, then P left. Q worked for some days, so one work is completed. So this gives the clear information. Number of days Q worked to complete the remaining work. Fine. Look at here. 8 into PQ can do the work 24 days. His 1 day work is 1 by 24 plus X into Q capacity. Q capacity is not given, but given PQ capacity and P capacity. How to get Q capacity? Subtract from PQ minus P. That can be done by using XY by X minus Y. So 24 into 32 upon difference is 8. 8 3s are 24. It is nothing but 96. So 96 days Q alone can do the work. Right. So I write his 1 day work is 1 by 96 part. So 1 is equal to 1. Now here it is 1 by 3. Send this side. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So X by 96. Simplification. 3 32s are. So cross multiplication. X value is equal to 64. So this is the number of days done by Q. Q number of days. Number of days different from the capacity of Q. Q can do the work, that is nothing but his capacity. Q is working, that shows his working days. So your answer is absolutely fourth choice. I hope you understood clearly. Right. See, reading the question is very important. So where to break, where to continue to read, right? So let me go to the second question. All right. A passenger sitting in a train of a certain length, which is running at a speed of 60 km per hour. Let me stop up here. Now this is a train. A passenger who is sitting in the train, but we don't know the length of the train, but speed is given 60 km per hour. The speed of the train is given. Passing through 2 bridges. So I think one bridge is like this, another bridge is also like this. 2 bridges. Notices that B crossed the first bridge and second bridge in time intervals which are in the ratio 7:4 respectively. 7:4 is the time interval. That is T1 is to T2 is given as 7:4. Let me take this is 7x 4x. That means This train crossing this bridge taking 7x time, this train crossing this bridge in 4x time. So this is, whenever this is taking 7x time means length of the bridge is more, 4x means assume that length of the bridge is less. Yes, it's very clear because of the time taken, because in both the cases speed is same. With the same speed it is crossing the bridge, with the same speed it is crossing the another bridge, but time factor is given. Fine. What is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Yes, when the speed is constant, let me write the equation in terms of distance by time. Fine. Now this is the train, or this is the train crossing a bridge. This is the man is crossing the bridge. What is given? A passenger train, a passenger sitting in a train. Now we are talking about the person. Now the person's speed is 60 km/h. This person is crossing the bridge, right? So the bridge, if the length of the bridge is given 350 meters, find the length of the second bridge. Let us say this is P. Fine. This person first crossing the bridge, what is the length? 350, right? Time taken is 7x, is equal to this person is crossing this bridge, P divided by 4x. Look here, when a man is crossing a bridge, we have to take distance as bridge length or platform length, right? Now, if you write this equation, now everything is clear. X is simple, 750s are 350 cross, so P is equal to 200 meters. It is the length of the bridge, second bridge. So your answer is third option. So here, one thing you have to remember, when a man is crossing a bridge, you have to consider distance is length of the bridge. When a train is crossing a bridge, distance we have to consider length of the platform, length of the bridge, and also length of the train. We have to consider both. Now this case, speed is same. So that's what I have written this one. I think you understood. Let me go to the next problem. Question number 3. Average salary per head of all workers and institution is 80. Now this sentence. Now this problem comes under average. What is average? Average is equal to sum of items by number of items. So this is the fundamental formula. Sum of items by number of items. How to get this sum? Sum is equal to average into number of items. See, wherever if you want to calculate sum, average must be multiplied with number of people. Now given in the question, average salary per head of all workers. We don't know how many number of workers are there in the institution, right? So let us take N. N members average is 80 rupees. What is the sum? Sum is equal to, right, 80N. Continue. The average salary per head of 16 officers is rupees 600. 16 officers average is given as 600 rupees. What is the sum? So same concept, 16 into 600, it is 9600. So it is nothing but 16 into 600. So as what we have done, 80 into N. Fine. The average salary per head of the rest is 67. Rest. What is the meaning of rest? That means rest of the people. Already N people are there. 16 officers are there. Rest in the sense, right? N minus 16. N minus 16. The average given as 67. What is the sum? As usual, 67 into N minus 16, right? Now, what is the total number of workers in the institution? Total number of workers means our target is N. Then how to calculate? Sum this part 80N, which is equal to 9600 plus 67 into N minus 16. I hope you understood. So this is the sum of 16 officers. It is the sum of rest of the people. All together, sum gives the total number of people who are available in the institution. Great. Let me simplify. Simplification always shows the smartness of the person, right? So this is 67n minus 67 into 16. I'm not multiplying here. Okay, this 67n, take this side, it will become 13n. Okay, 9600. So minus 67 into 16. Great. See, I'll take 16 common. Fine. If I take 16 common, this will become 600 minus 67. Right? The 16 gone away. Now, so 16 into 600 minus 67 is 533. So this side 13n. Let me divide. 13 fours are 52 and 13 left over one time. Now multiply 16 into 41. 16 ones are 60. 16 fours are 64, 165. So how many number of people are there in the institution? 656, which is available in the first option. I think you understood very clearly. So data, you must have to write very properly, clearly. It is the data. Complete this part is data. What is the given in the question? What is the data is given in the question? So this is the only step will survive you to get the right answer within the stipulated time. So this is under average, right? So I'll go to the next problem. Right. Okay, Rahul Krishna, good morning. And Farida, good morning. Thank you. Welcome to the session. Fine, I'm fine, right? Okay, go to the fourth question, please. 4 horses are tethered at 4 corners of the square field. Great. Now here, tethered, tightened, 4 corners of the square field. Okay, let me write. This is square field. One corner is tied with horse, right? Horse, like that 4 corners, okay? So here one more horse, here one more horse, here one more horse. They just reach one another, reaching. Yes, here one horse, here one, almost. See, first horse, it is grazing like this. It is grazing like this, right? If the side of the square field is 56, this part is 56 meter, what will be the area left ungrazed? Left ungrazed. So this is grazing. It is also grazing. Let me draw this picture again, right? It is like this. Fine. First circle, first horse is like this. It is grazed. Grazing. Third one, fourth one. What is ungrazed? This part is called ungrazed. This portion. So this problem comes basically from mensuration, measurements, especially in plane figures, right? So this problem involves square as well as sector, right? I think this part is nothing but a sector. This part is a sector. How many sectors are available in the figure? 4 sectors. This is the first sector, second sector, third one, and fourth one. So what to do to get the ungrazed area? What to do? Yes. So I have to subtract from the total area of the square, right? Total area of the square is given 56 into 56 minus 4 times of area of sector. The formula for area of sector, 360 pi r square. Theta. What is theta here? This part is 90 degrees. 90 upon 360. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square. So the radius is 28 because the whole distance is nothing but side is 56. So it will become 28. So r square, I'll write 28 into 28. Okay. Now we need to simplify. So most of the people just by looking at this equation, they're scared about this. So expression is very simple. Understanding level is very simple. Only thing is do calculation. Fine. Let me do fast. This gets cancelled. 4, 360, 360. 7 4s are. So it is 88 into 28. This is 56 into 56. Shall we simplify with 7? Let me take 8 common. Great. So 7 into 56 minus 11 into 88, 28. Great. Still anything else to make it common? 7. 8 into 7. Right. Here only 56 minus 11 into 7 fours are. Wonderful. What is the difference between these two? I think we made the whole equation into simplified form. 56 minus 44. How much it is? 12. Is it right? Now multiply 56 into 12. Simple. 12 6 are 72. 7. 12 5s are 60, 67. Right? Now it's very clear, fifth option. I hope you understood the steps how I have taken without taking risk. Taking common. Is it clear, all of you? Great. Yeah. Welcome, Mr. Amit Karkit. Good morning. Chini, good morning. Well done. I hope you are following these questions, which come across from different questions, different topics. Now this comes under mensuration. Let me go through next column. Question number 5. In a town, each of 60% of families have laptop. So let me write, people who are having laptops, 60% of families. Right. Each of 30% families have computer. Great. So computer, the people, how many people have computers? 30% of the families. And each of 15% of the families have both laptop and computer. I'll write laptop as well as computer is a 15%. Boss, looking at all these things, definitely we come to know it comes under sets. It comes under Venn diagram, right? Yeah, Monica, welcome. Good morning. Very nice. Shashi Kumar sir, very good morning. Yeah, well done. Now, so this is, let me draw the picture. Whenever they're talking about percentage, I'll write the total is nothing but 100%. Now this set related to laptop, I'll take as 60%. This set related to computer, I'll take as 30%. So both is nothing but 15%. Fine. Now this is the information given. Let me read. In all, there are 110, 800. That is 1,800 people are there. This is nothing but total. What I assumed as 100%. Okay. Now, in the town, how many families in the town do not have laptop as well as computer? The people, those who don't see, this system shows anything. People may have laptop, people may have computer, or people may have both. Do not have means they are in this position, say X%. How to get X%? This system plus this one gives 100%. Let me write the figure. I think you know very well, whenever two circles are given. So N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Let me write in the structure, right? 100% total is equal to N of A 60% plus N of B 30% minus N of A intersection B 15% plus X%, which is there at the common. All together, this part will become 100%, right? Now, it is 90 minus 15, 75% plus X%. So this is nothing but 25%. So 25% become 100%. 25 plus 75, 100%, right? 25% of the families do not have computer on this one. But how many people are there in the colony? 10800. In this, I want to calculate 25%. Very simple. 25% means 50% off. Is it right? This is 10%. 10% off, 5, 0, 0, 0. This is nothing but 50%. In this half again, 2700. So this is nothing but 25%. I hope you understood clearly. Answer is fifth choice. Is it right? Yes, all of you. Great. So I hope you people are following. Very systematic, simple method. Hardly takes 15 to 25 seconds. In between 15 to 25 seconds, if you do not read the question backward again and again. So this is one kind of a strategy. So you need not take as 1080 from the beginning. You need not calculate 60% up from this, right? You need not calculate 60% from these, need not calculate 30% from these, and 50%. It's a waste of time. So ultimately, we are getting 25% of the people, those who do not have computers or laptops, that is nothing but 25% of 10800. Yes, well done. Go to the next one. Great. Now, an article of cost price 16,000 is marked as 19,200. Cost price is given 16,000. Now it is marked as 19200. Great. After allowing a discount of X%, generally discount cannot be given from cost price. Discount must be given from here. How much discount is given? X% is given. We don't know about this, how much. But he got a profit of 15% is made. How you get profit? Profit can be made from here, cost price. It is nothing but 15%, right? So what is 15% of this one? 16,000. In this, 10% is 1,600, 5% is 800, together 2400. So whenever he add 2400, that is 18,400. Whenever he purchased 16,000 rupees and sold it for 18,400, he get the profit of 15%. Now look at very clearly, how much is reduced here from market price? How much? 800 is reduced. Is it right? 800 from here reduced and sold it, selling price. From where is reduced? 19200 into 100, right? 800 is what percent of 19200? Simple simplification, and 0 gets cancelled. 8 ones, 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 4 6 are 24, 4 25s are, right? 6 4s are 24, 1 by 6%. It is nothing but 4.17 approximately, right? So to make it a round figure, your answer is second option. So this comes under, right? Is it clear? So please, whatever the doubts you have, please talk to me in the chat box, right? So we are here to clarify the doubts, right? I want to do all the mixed questions of all these things which were appeared in the previous exam, right? So let me continue with the next question. Seventh one. A box contains 4 red balls, 5 green, 5 black, 6 green marbles. Fine. See, in a box, there are 4 red balls, 5 black, and 6 green. Altogether, how many balls are there? 15 balls in a bag, right? 3 marbles are drawn at random. From here, they are taking 3. So here, this problem comes from probability. What is the meaning of probability of any event? So experiment and favorable event. Here, what is our experiment? We are taking 3 balls from 15. So my calculation is 15C3, right? I selected 3 balls from 15. Fine. What is our favorable event? Now, what is the probability all the marbles drawn are of the same color? Same color. Coming to the part of colors, we have 3 colors. One is red, another is black, another is green. Is it clear? All of you, right? So look here. Now, so this is black, it is green and red. So how to write this one? How to write this one? Out of 4, I'll take 3. Okay, 4C3 or 5C3 or 6C3. Okay, now I may get 3 balls either from red or from black or from green. Now expression is over. Now simplification, right? 4C3, all 3s are there. Simple smart method of simplification. Fine. Let me write 4 must be reduced for 3 times, plus 5 must be reduced for 3 times, and 6 3 times. In the same way, write 15 3 times. Okay, now simplify. Shall I go with 5 or 3? Right, simple simplification. Next to 2, right? It is 7 times plus 15, right? Is it upon 5 into 7 into 13? Have you followed this one? Fine, let me explain. 5 into 4 into 3, 6 into 4 into 6 into 5 into 4, right? So clear, is it right? Now, if I do simplification, right? Come on. So let me write once again. This is 24 2s are plus 23s are 6, right? As it is 15 into 14 into 13. Okay, if you feel any difficult, better you can write, because all the values are very simple. Now this is 180 288, 180 plus 48, right? 288. So I write 288 upon 15 into 14 into 13. So let me divide with what you call 2 1s, 4s, 4s, 2 7s. Again, shall I go with 3 5s? 3 4s are 12, 24, 3 6 are, okay, 3 6 are 46, divided by 5 into 7 into 13. Is it clear? So 46 into 5 into 7 into 3. If you are clear about this, right, I'll do this method. Otherwise, right, I'll write in a simple method first of all. Expression simplification of NCR is very simple. Simplification of NCR is nothing but n factorial by r into n minus 1, n minus r factorial, right? So let me write once again to understand clear mode, right? So this is, okay, 15C3, great. So 4C3 is nothing but 4 into, right? It is nothing but 1, 4C3, 4 into 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 into 1. I'm explaining only 1, right? It is nothing but 4, plus 5C3, 5 into 4 into 3 by, so 3 into 2 into 1 gets cancelled. It is nothing but 10, plus 6C3, 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. It's very clear, 20. Whole divided by 15C3. 15C3 means 15 into 14 into, I'm simplifying here itself, no problem, right? So 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 5s are, 3 7s are. Let me write 5 into 7 into 13. So all together 34. Simple. So what my request is better, I think, right? So 34 is only one choice available. It is in nothing but third choice. Shall I continue to get denominator? You have to continue. Why? Because none of this is given. If your denominator not equal to 455, so definitely your answer must be 5. So let me continue. It is 35 into 13. So 13 5s are 65. 13 3s are 39. It is nothing but 455. So your answer is 455. So simplification is very, very important. That's what I said. Improve your numerical skills. All right. So this problem comes under probability. Simplification must be careful. Okay. So Narayana Shetty. So I think my voice is clear. My voice is clear, right? Let me do once again this one in a brief. Okay. In a brief, let me do. See, 4 red balls, 5 black balls, 6 green balls. Out of these 15 balls, I have to take 3 balls. So my experiment is 15C3, right? So condition is drawn of the same color, 4C3 into, sorry, plus 5C3 plus 6C3. What I said in the beginning, right? So we need to calculate 4C3. I got it 4. 5C3, I got 10. Plus 6C3, I got 20. 6C3, let me explain this one. 6C3. 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 is there. I need to reduce 3 times. Fine. It is 20 divided by same 15C3. I think we got 5 into 7 into 13. So ultimately your answer is 34 by 455. I hope you people understood about this. Let me switch over to the next one. Okay. Question number 8. PQR started a business investing rupees 40,500, 45,000 and 50,000 respectively. I think this problem comes under partnership. So P, Q, R. Listen, 40,500 invested and another one is 45,000. Another is 50,000. Great. After 6 months, R withdraws 10,000, withdraw minus. P invested 4,000 more and added plus. Fine. So this is the what you call situation happened after 6 months. Next, see, I'll write very clearly. I'll make it 2 zeros common first. I don't want to write 2 zeros first. Okay. First 6 months, this person amount is 405. After 6 months, so P invested 4,500. Let me write 40500. If we add 4,500, how much it will be? 450,000. So I'll take as 450. Is it right? So this is the story about P. I hope you understood clearly. First 6 months, his amount was 405. Next 6 months, if he added 4,500, it has become 45,000. Fine. Q. First 6 months, it is of 4,500 because nothing is given about Q. So I'll write better 12, right? 12 months, I'll write 4,500. Is it right? 450 is 2. Is it clear? R withdrawn 10,000. First 6 months, 500 plus next 6 months. If you withdraw 10,000, it will become 40,000. So I'll write 400. I hope you understood this equation. Let me explain once again. Now, once this equation, once the ratio is given very clearly, it's easy to share the amount is given. Amount is given. Total profit is 53100. It is total profit. Right. Let me simplify properly. I'll divide with 6 everywhere. Right. Fine. 405, 850. It is absolutely 855 is 2 into 450, 900. 500 plus 400, 900. Now I don't want to simplify. Read the question. In the annual profit of 53100, share of R will exceed by P. Come on, if the same sentence, if you apply here, what is the share of R exceeds by P? How much is more? 45 is more. Is it right? So 855 plus 45 this one. So I'll write 45 upon, what is the total of this one? 1800 plus this one, 2655. Okay. So 855, 900 and 900, it is 55. So 26. So I've taken here this one into share is given 53100. Don't worry about this kind of larger calculations. Do not worry about this. Next, I'll divide with 5. 5 nines. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are. I hope you are very comfortable, right? This gets cancelled. So your answer is very clear. 900 rupees is the difference between R and P. Even though larger values are given, it's easy to calculate. Yes, friends, I hope you understood. But it's very simple. What if the things are very clear? How to share the amount? Whenever you know the ratio, it's easy to share the amount. So writing this, what you call, this part is very, very, very important. This part is. Okay. I hope you understood clearly. Let me continue. Right. Question number 9. Great. 3 taps XYZ can fill a tank in 12. X can fill 12 hours. Y can fill 15 hours. Z can fill 20 hours. Great. If X is open all the time, that means X is always open all the time, and X and Y are open for 1 hour each alternatively. Great. I think you understood clearly, starting with Y. That means 1 hour X, 1 hour Y, another hour Z, another hour Y is a cyclic process. But what about X? This person is open. This tap is open. So let me write the scenario. XY plus XZ plus XY plus XZ and so on. I hope you are clear. Why? Because you just see this equation. X is always open. Y alternatively, one day Y, another day Z, Y, Z, Y, Z, and so on. Fine. Let me calculate. If these two people work for first day, second day, third day, fourth day, and so on. Let us do this. XY. That means I'll make use of this and this. XY. If both can do, rule I said very clearly, 12 into 15 by total is 27. The rule is XY by X plus Y. So this is XY capacity. 3 nines, 3 fours, 3 threes, 3 fives. Together 20 by 3. Okay. Following? Right. Okay. I got capacity of XY. What about YZ? What about XZ? 12 into Z is 20 divided by 32. Rule is same. 4 threes, 4 eights, 4 twos, 4 fives. So 15 by 2. Right? Here also we have done the same. 3 nines, 3 fours, 3 threes, 3 fives, 20 by 3. Yes. We got XY capacity 20 by 3, XZ capacity 15 by 2. Now I'll write XY 2 pipes 1 minute, 1 hour capacity is given 3 by 20 plus this is 2 by 15. Is it right? XY capacity 2 by 15. Following my point? XY, XZ 12 into 20, 32, 4 eights, 4 threes, 4 twos, 4 fives, 15 by 2. Let me take LCM of this. What is the LCM of this one? 60. Right. 9 plus 8. 17 by 60. How many hours I have to work? How many hours I have to work? 1 hour each. So this is for how many days? 4 days. Okay. So I hope you people are not following, right? Let me write once again. Fine. Okay, right. See, X capacity is given 12 hours, Y capacity is given 15 hours, and Z is 20 hours. Now, given alternatively, they have to work along with X, XY, then next is XZ, next is XY, and XZ, and so on. What is XY? I'll write here. Same. X use 12 into 15 by 27. 3 nines, 3 fours, 3 threes, 3 fives, 20 by 3. Great. Now YZ. Sorry, XZ. X means 12, Z means 20. So I have to write 12 into 20 divided by 36. So 4 fives are, 4 nines are, 3 threes, 3 fours. Nothing but 20 by 3. Is it clear, all of you? calculation part. Once if you do calculation, everything goes wrong. 12 into 20 by 36, right? 4 5s, 4 9s, 3 3s, 3 4s, 20 by 3, right? I think we got the same, right? So this is 3 by 20 plus this is 3 by 20. Like that you have to do 1 day, 1 hour, 2 hour. Within 1 hour this is. How many hours they have to work like this? I think almost all 7 hours. 7 hours they have to work because 7 threes are, right? 21 by 20. Almost all one work is completed. Any doubt in this one? Yes, clear. So let me move to the second one. Question. If simple interest on certain sum of money for 9 months, certain sum, they're talking about simple interest, right? P is not given for 9 months, okay, at 6% per annum is rupees 406 less than simple interest on same sum for 16 months, okay, 7% per annum, right? Find the sum. So this we have to calculate. Whenever months are given, you need to divide to get into years. This part, whatever the interest we get, is 406 less than this part. So how to express it? This part is less than means this should have to take at the right side. Let me write. So this part, let me take first one, P into 16 by 12 into 7 divided by 100 minus P into 9 by 12, that is first part, into 6 divided by 100, which is nothing but 406. Hope you understood. This part is less than this part. The interest means, so I is equal to PTR by 100. They're talking about simple interest, right? I want to go for simplification. So my method is I want to take common part first. So what is the common part? P is there, 100 is there, 12 is there. Here also P, 100, 12. Let me take P 1200. What is the leftover part? 16 into 7, 112, 9 into 6, 54 is equal to 406. What is the simplification here? 8, 58. So how many times? 2 29s, 2 2s, 0s, 3s. 29 7s are 203. If you do cross multiplication, like P by 1200 is equal to 7, it's absolutely, the principal is 8400. Is it right? So what we have done here, we calculated the simple interest, but the style is given. The simple interest, what I got from here is 406 less than what I got here. What is the simple interest? Good. We are doing all different flavors, right? Please subscribe if you like our channel. Let me continue with the next one, 11th one. Shyam and Ram. Seems to be somewhat okay. The question seems to be larger one, almost all 4 to 5 lines. Do not worry about this. Shyam and Ram entered into the partnership. The investment ratio is given 3:2. So investment ratio, their investment amounts are not given clearly, but the ratio is given. Among them, Ram is working partner. This man is working partner, for which he gets 10% of the profit. And Shyam is sleeping partner. This man is sleeping partner. He don't get anything. Working partner will get amount, right? At the end of 1 year, they earn the profit of 75,000 rupees. It is a profit. This is at the end of the year, out of which 5% goes to charity. Can you please tell me how much amount we have to deduct before going to share each other? Yes, this is for charity. This is to work. Whenever Ram is working, 10% we have to give to Ram. Altogether, how much? 15%. So you need not go for calculation of 15%. We have to share only 85% of this part, right? Okay, leave it. Now I want to calculate, find the share of Ram. Fine. Ram is here. Ram is here, right? 2 parts out of 5 parts into 85% of 75,000. I hope you understood. I'm not going to calculate what is 15%, subtract from this. So I'm not doing that. Why I'm using only 80%, 85%? I'm not going to share the amount of the total profit. From the total profit, I have to give to the charity as well as to the working partner. Fine, calculation boss. 2 by 5 into 85 divided by 100 into 75300. Right? Great. So gets cancelled. 5, 150. Wonderful. 2 into 85, 170 into 150. Let me calculate 15 into 7. So 17 into 15. What is the calculation? So 35, 3, 5, 7, 12, 3, 15, 1, 1, 1, 2, 255. Following my point? So I'll write 25500. Hope you're following my calculation. 2 digits multiplication. Now, is it the share of R? No. We have to add 10% of the profit. What is the 10% of the profit? 7,500. So this is he got for the investment 7,500. If I add it, 0, 0, 10, 3, 3. 33,000 is the share of Mr. R, because for investment he got 25,500. For working he got 75,000 rupees. Altogether he got 33,000 rupees. Following? Yes, all of you. So this is a problem comes under pattern in different style. So amount cannot be shared directly. You have to distribute whatever the conditions they said. 10% he said, right? Profit for the working partner, 5% goes to charity. Great. Let me go to the next one, 12th one. Right. Average height of 3 boys, Rakesh and Shyam and Suhas, is 208 by 3. Average means by. So I think you got the equation. Bikesh and Ram and Suhas, the total heights are 208. So let us take this first equation. Right. Next is, while average height of Bikesh, Vishal and Rakesh, this is given as 203 by 3, right? So I'll get Bikesh, Vihal as well as Rakesh is nothing but 203, right? Wonderful. Now we need to simplify both to get the required answer. What is the question given? What is the average height of Bikesh, Shyam, Suhas and Vihal as well as Rakesh? That means Bikesh, okay? Okay, fine. So Bikesh, Shyam, yes. So Bikesh, Shyam, Suhas, yes, please. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, I hope you're following all these things. Okay. Average of this Bikesh and Suhas is given as sum. Sum is given as 203. Yes, a few seconds. Yeah, right. Fine. So great. Okay, as I have written, Bikesh as well as Shyam and Suhas, the total is 208. Similarly, Bikesh as well as Vishal and Rakesh is nothing but 203. To find the average height of Bikesh, Shyam, Suhas and Vishal and also Rakesh, this average is nothing but by 5, right? See, is it possible to add? If I add, I'll get 2 Bikesh. If I subtract, Bikesh will go. I get negative parts of Vikas and Rakesh. So I think the answer you understood clearly cannot be determined. So there is no solution for this question. Is it right? So in this average, it seems to be simple simplifications, right? So please chat with me if you have any doubts, because questions are moving. Like, please repeat the question number 7, right? I'll repeat the question 7, no problem, right? So next, question number 13. Great. Question number 13. Speed of current C is given as 5 km per hour. What will be the respective downstream speed? Downstream means B plus C. Okay, this I have to calculate. And also upstream, B minus C I have to calculate. So now downstream will become x plus 5 because we does not know the man speed. So this is x minus 5. Stream speed is given. Right. So please look at the question carefully. I'm not going to read the whole question at a time. If 1/3 of the distance covered going in a certain time is equal to the distance covered going upstream in the same time, right? That means times to cover the downstream is equal to 1/3. That means 3 times of upstream. Distance covered in downstream is 3 times distance covered in upstream. What is the distance? First of all, distance is equal to speed into time. Great. I think we have the speed. Time is given same, t. Let this time is t, right? Now, look at here, downstream speed, x plus 5 into time taken, which is equal to 3 times upstream speed, that is x minus 5, okay, into t. This equation, everybody should have right. Hope you understood clear, right? So this is speed and distance. Distance is equal to speed in time. I'm using this concept. Now, let me calculate. T gets cancelled. X plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 15. So 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 10. What is the value of x? It is nothing but speed of man, speed of boat. So let me write, this is the value of b. So b plus c is given 10 plus 5. It is 15. B minus 5. It is nothing but 10 minus 5. It is nothing but 5. So I got the answers of A, 15 and 5 kilometer per hour, right? So one of my friend asked about question number 7. Let me move to the question number 7, right? Okay, fine. Okay, brother. Boss, look at carefully. Question number 7. As per your request, I am coming back. So a box contains 4 red balls, 5 black balls. Altogether 15 balls are there. Question is given, 3 marbles are drawn. Out of 15, if I take 3, 15C3, right? What is the condition given? Marbles drawn of the same color. Same color in the sense, those 3 may be red, may be black, may be green. Let me express properly. 4C3 or 5C3 or 6C3. Now my calculations are very clear. Let me write directly. 4C3 is nothing but 4. When the difference is 1, you take the upper one. Now 5C3, right? 5 into 4 into 3, 3 into 2. So it's nothing but 10. Next 6C3, 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 gets cancelled, it is 20. If I add all these things, I'll get numerator. 4 plus 10 plus 20. It is nothing but 34 divided by 15C3. 15 into 14 into 13. 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. It is 5. It is 7. 5 sevens are 35 into 13. So 34 by 13, 35s are 455, which I said in the third option. Hope you are clear, right? So let me continue to our regular question. Question number 14. Great. Ankur, Bhanu, Chatur. I'll take the letters as first letters as A, B, C. Finished an assignment in their company together 20 days. Great. So they worked together, finished in 20 days. I'll write A worked in 20 days. Fine. They started the work. Okay. They started the assignment together and Ankur left after first 6 days. After next 4 days, Bhanu also left. I'll write this one up to here. A, B, C together worked for 6 days. After 6 days, Ankur left. So who are the people available? Bhanu and Chatur, BC. Even after 4 days, they worked 4 days, they also left. And given the assignment, the Chatur completed the remaining in 3/4. I'm not going to equate it to 1. Here I'm not going to equate it to 1 because still work is there, right? So Chatur completed the remaining 3/5 of the work in 72 days, right? So Chatur completed one work how many days? 72 into 5 by 3. So 24. It is nothing but 120 days. Chatur capacity, we got it. But we don't know how many days he worked. But up to this, how can I say? What can I say? 6 days, 3 people worked. 4 days, these 2 people worked. How much work they completed? See, Chatur completed remaining 3/5. That means these people completed 2/5 of the part of the work. 3/5 completed by C. So we need to make equal to 2 by 5. Simplify. 6 into ABC capacity 20 plus 4 into BC capacity we does not know. Take X 2 by 5. Right. So this is 2 3s, 2 10s. 4 by X is equal to 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. So it's clear 50, right? 4 minus 3, 1. 1. Is it right? So 1 by 50. Cross multiplication, how much will get it? How much will get it? 6 into 1 by 30. 1 by 20, sorry. 10. So 3 by 10. 3 by 10. So LCM is how much? 10. I'll take 4, 4, 1 by 10. Better. Now, X value, I got 40 days. What is X first of all? BC. I said BC is nothing but X. See, how to calculate B alone can do. We know capacity BC 40. We know capacity C 120. If you subtract means using XY by X minus Y, right? So 40 into 120 divided by 80. That is nothing but difference of this. So 2. So 60 days is the capacity of B. Bhanu can work in 60 days. Bhanu can do the work in 60 days. Is it right? See, here we need to understand they started the work together After 6 days, after 4 days, up to here, they completed 2/5 part of the work. Remaining done by C. Wonderful question in time on work. I think I request all of you, please use chat box if you are not following. If you have any doubts, please continue. Okay, thank you. Let me continue for the 15th question. Right. Now, which comes under partnership, which comes under age problem in terms of percentage calculations. Rajiv present age is 100 by 3% of. 100 by 3 means 1/3 of his father age. Right. His father is half of Rajiv grandfather. How many people are available here? Rajiv is there. His father is there. Grandfather is there. Let me write Rajiv, father, grandfather. The average age, present age is all of them. Average in the sense Rajiv, father, grandfather, average divided by 3 is equal to 110 by 3. That means some of these people age is 110. What is the ratio of their ages 10 years ago? Okay, we talk about the question. Now, we need to share the ratio. Let us take, I'll take grandfather age is 6x. Yes, definitely. Most of the people, they get out. Why? Because here denominator 32 is there. We need to take the multiples of 32. Grandfather half father. In this 1/3 Rahul X, I think you understood, right? You understood very clearly. The assumption has to satisfy the given question, right? Sum of these three things is nothing but 110. So sum is nothing but 10x, which is nothing but 110. So x value 11, right? Let me substitute x value 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 6 are 66. These are all the present ages of Rahul, his father, his grandfather. What is your question? 10 years ago, what was their ratio? 10 years ago, his age was 1. His age was 23. His age was 56. So the ratio is 1:23:56. Your answer is clear, second one. Following my point? Yes, I hope you people are following because we are at question number 15. Great. So let me switch over to the next one. Right. Sonu, T2 enter into the partnership for a year in which Sonu invested 1 lakh. See, partnership problems basically, if huge values like 1,20,000, 70,000, definitely people start getting what you call disturbed. But be careful and omit all the common number of zeros. So this is my suggestion to everyone. Whenever you want to do ratio problems, partnership problems, like what do you call this kind of larger value questions. Now, see here, Sonu T2. Sonu investment is 1,20,000. It is 70,000. After 4 months, Sonu invested 80,000 more. After 5 months, this is the story after 5 months, T2 invested 30,000. Great. Now this is about Sonu and T2. Let me write clearly because I stopped the question up to here. After 4 months, Sonu, that is, I'll take common 4 zeros here. I'll take common 4 zeros. Right. Common 4 zeros I'll keep aside without any confusion. First 4 months, his amount was 12. Next 8 months, he added 80,000. It will become how much? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs in the sense, it is like this. Okay. If I remove 4 zeros, your amount is 20,000. Now I wrote very clearly about Sonu. Any confusion? Right. Let me move. See, if anything is there, please put it in a chat box so that we'll get back to you. Now, T2. What is the status of T2 after 5 months? First 5 months is having 70,000. Next 7 months, right? 30,000 is added. So it has become 1 lakh. That is 10. because I removed 4 zeros, is true. When 2 months were left, Sweetie also joined investing 4 lakhs. Only 2 months is there. That means she invested 4 lakhs rupees only for 2 months. I'll write 2 into 4 lakhs. I remove 4 zeros. I'll write 40. I hope you understood. We wasted valuable time to write this ratio. Once ratio is given, it's easy to calculate. Hope you understood. Let me go fast. So 48 plus 160, 208. 35 plus 70, 110, 105. It is 80. Now I want to share the profit. The profit of the year was 12.5% of this one. 12.5% means what? 12.5% means 1 by 8th part of 1572000, right? 1572000. Follow my point? Great. So I don't want to get the calculation. It's a waste of time. Now this total amount I'll make use while doing calculation part. Now let me write what is the amount get by Sonu. 208 out of how much this is? 185. 208. So 1393. 393 into what is the profit? 1 by 8 into 157 to 000. So let us do the calculation, right? With the 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 ones, 3 fives, 3 twos, 3 fours. Let me keep aside of 3 zeros. Now even with, come on, 131. What is the calculation now? It is absolutely 4 times. 524. 4 ones are 4, 4 13s are 52. 4 2 times. 2 104, right? 104 000. 104 000. Is it right? That means 1,04,000 rupees. The choice, right, which is available in B. I think I don't want to do the rest of the things. Follow my point? If this will appear in other choice, then I'll go for calculating T2 share, right? So Mr. Chowdhury, Dimple Chowdhury, I think question number 16, I think this question. Let me continue once again, right? I'll start from ratio part, right? I'll start from ratio part. Okay. Let me do this once again. Okay. So here, Sonu and T2, his investment is 1,20,000, 70,000. Yes. After 4 months, Sonu invested 80,000 more. Let me write. So I'll remove these 4 zeros, boss. I'll remove these 4 zeros. First 4 months, he is having 12. After 4 months, he added 80,000. That means 2 lakhs. Next 8 months, he is having 20. I hope you understood. Next, T2 invested 30,000 after 5 months. First 5 months, 7,000, right? Next 7 months, if he added 30,000, it will become 10,000. Fine. So, Sweetie joined only for 2 months, 4 lakhs. So 2 months is nothing but 4 lakhs. That is 40. Now, if you write this step, I think everything gets simple. Everything gets simple. Is it right? Following? So great. Now let me continue. 48 plus how much? 160. So 208. 35 plus 70. 105. 80. I'm calculating 208 by total how much am I? 185 plus 208. So 393. Okay. So I'll write 393 into 12.5. 12.5% means 1/8 part. 1/8 part of 1572430. Now make calculation simple. 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 ones, 3 fives, 3 twos, 3 fours. This is absolutely 4 times. 4 2 times. 2 104, right? 104 into 3 zeros. 104 into 3 zeros, which is available in second option. I hope you understood, Mr. Chaudhary, right? Well done. Yes, good, Chaudhary. Nice, thank you. Please continue. My request, everyone, you have to read the question. What is the strategy is given in the question, right? So question number 17. Simple interest on certain sum, that is P. For 2 years, certain rate of interest is 2000. Great. And a compound interest, this is I'm talking about SI. Compound interest for the same sum, same time, same rate of interest is rupees 2050. I think looking at this, I would like to say one point. Difference between SI and CI for 2 years is given as 50. Right? This is 50. Difference between this year and this year. Is it clear, Amma? Is it clear? 50. Follow my point? Yes, all of you? Wonderful. Or if you want, I'll write once again. So simple interest for 2 years. SI, CA. First year, second year. 2 years, 2000. That means 1000, 1000. So I think you know very well, simple interest for first year and compound interest for first year is same. So this will be how much? 1050. I think this total is 2050. This total is 2000. I think I said these two things in this one. Hope you are following my point. Great. What is the increment here? 50. 50 means how much? 5%. Yes, I got the rate of interest. I got the rate of interest. Now let me continue. What is this question? Then find the ratio between CA for 2 years. Of course, CA for 2 years is given, right? CA for 2 years is given to 2050. And CA for 3 years. Let me calculate from here. So I got for 3 years, right? I'll write. This is first year. Second year like this, right? Third year. How much am I third year? 5%. 105, half. So 52.5. 52.5. How much this is? 0.5, 2, 10, 1, 1, right? So altogether how much? 3, 1, 0, 2. Following my point? Is it right? I hope you are following my point. 3 years. 3102.5. I'll write 3102.5. Now simplification, this ratio. 20500, because I remove here 1.25. Divided by 5. 5 4s 1s 0 0. 5 6 2s 0 5. Again 5. 5 8s 2s 0. 5 1s 5 2s 5 6. Right? 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 1. Right? I think somewhere the calculation here, it's very clear. I think your answer is B. 820 is to 1261, right? 1261 into 5, 5, 33, 1231, 83, right? So great. So this is very clear. 1261, right? 1261.81. I hope you understood this one. Yes? So great. This is for 2-year simplification, 3-year simplification. Let me move. 18th question. Right. Question number 18. 2 employees and 3 trainers together finish the project in 7 days. Great. 6 employees and 13 trainers together finish the same work in 2 days. Fine. That means this team do the work in 7 days. This team also can do the work in 2 days. Team, I'm using the word team. Team means which consists of employees as well as trainers. Find the time taken by 4 employees and 4 trainers finish the work. Great. Now, in time and work, we find different model of the questions. Here, if the question given in single variable, it's easy to calculate. But the question is given in terms of two variable. So I want to convert into single variable either in terms of employees or in terms of trainers, right? So I want to find the relation between these two. 7 into, right? 2e plus 3t and 2 into 6e plus 13t. If I simplify, I get the answer. Without writing this one, I would like to discuss here itself. 6 2s are 14, 2 6 are 12, 14 12 2, 2e, simple. 7 3s are 21, 13 2s are 26, 21 26 5, 5 boys, 5 trainers. It is the relation between employees and trainers. I hope you understood. Yes, please. Great. Let me substitute wherever the employees are there. I want to write 5t, right? I'll write 5t. I'll write 5t. Let me continue. 30 plus 13, 43, right? Is it clear, all of you? 2e. I'm writing 2e. That means 15. 15 plus 23, how much? 28. T. See here, I'll write directly 2e is 5t. 4e is how much? 10t. 6e is how much? 15t. I'm using here 15t. I'm using here 10t. 15 plus 13, 28. So 28t can do the work in 2 days and 14t can do the work how many days, right? It is 2, 2 2s are 4 days. It's very clear, answer is 4. What my request is, I want to do the calculation, right, straight away. So here, even if you simplify, I get the same. Even if you multiply 14e plus 21t is equal to 12e as well as 26t, everything is same. Even if you take 2e, send this one 13, right, 14t, right? We'll get different 21 and 26 5t, right? So we'll get all these things. So wherever 2e is there, I have to write 5t. So 6e is there, 4e is there. Hope you understood clearly. Let me move on to the next one. Right. Question number 19. Minu has some money. Great. She can buy 40 books or 90 pens with it. 40 books or 90 pens. That means with this money, you can either 40 books or 90 pens. Following? Great. 90 books or, 40 books or 90 pens. Now, if she keeps 20% of the money for food, if she, completed 20% of the food, what is the amount left over with her? What is the amount left over with her? Only 80% of the money. 80% of X. Great. Is it right? With this 80% of money, she started buying 36 pens as well as some books, X books. How many books she purchased? This we have to calculate. How many of you understood this question, first of all? Yes, please. How many of you understood? Man and work. Follow my point. Clear, all of you? Right. See here, with this amount, I may purchase 40 books, I may purchase 90. Let me calculate the LCM of 40 and 90. It's absolutely 360. Okay, let us assume Minu's amount is 360 rupees. If you purchase 40 books, each book rate is how much? 360 by 40. That means 9 rupees. Similarly, each what you call pen is equal to 360 by 90, 4 rupees. Okay, now I got the value of book and pen. In this, I have to go for 80% of this amount and purchase. How many pens they are purchased? 36. Let me write the equation. Right. 36 pens plus some books is equal to 80% of 360. Great. 36 into pen 4 plus X books, right? Book rate is how much? 9 is equal to 80%. 80 by 100 into 360. Great. Calculation, please observe. Okay. So 36, sorry, 9x is equal to 36 into 8 minus 36 into 4. So you need to multiply. What is that? 36 into 4. Why? Because 8 minus 4. So 9x. So 4s are there. X is equal to 16. So what is the value of X? What is the value of X? Number of books she buys. Answer is 16. I hope many of the people understood this one. Almost. See, it's very simple, right? If you take the LCM, we'll get it easily. It's the only simple method. So once if you write the equation, they're simple. Okay. Let me shall I explain once again? Okay, all of you, please respond clearly, because we are doing different flavors, different models of the questions. So 9 rupees here is 4 rupees. So only 80% of the money he used, because he spent money for food, 20% money of the food. Or you can write 360, 80%. You can calculate here, or you can write directly. Simplification, calculation should be very smart. Follow my point, right? So I'll just go to the question number 20. Great. 4 coins are tossed together. What is the probability at least getting 2 heads? See here, this is nothing but again probability. Here what we are doing? Yeah, Vamsi, ready? Welcome. Yes, I hope you people are following. Right. Probability. 4 coins are tossed. What's your experiment here? 4 coins are tossed. That means 2 power 4. Why I'm using 2? Coin is having head or tail. There are 2 possible outcomes. So I'm using 2. If 2 coins are tossed, I can write 2 power 2. If 3 coins are tossed, 2 cube. 4 coins are tossed, 2 power 4. Right. Probability at least getting 2 heads. What is the meaning of this one? See, 4 coins tossed like this. At least 2 heads means Pakka you must get 2 heads, or you may get 3 heads, or you may get all 4 heads. So this is called at least 2 heads. Following? I hope you understood. At least 2 heads. You may get 2 heads, or you may get 3 heads, or you may get 4 heads. Right. This can be written as 4C2. This can be written as 4C3. This can be written as 4C4. Let me write the values. 4C2 is nothing but 6. Okay, let me do 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. Right, it is 6. 4C3 is nothing but 4. 4C is nothing but 1. So together, it is nothing but 11. So your answer is 11 by 16. So absolutely B. I think you are following. Now your expression must be very clear so that we can express it very clearly in the numerator. Denominator is very simple. What is our experiment? What we have to get it. That's called our favorable event. Okay, let me move to the next one. Right. A fruit vendor sells apples and oranges and gets equal revenue from each. So he sells, right, oranges and apples. Okay, apples. Equal revenue. He's getting equal revenue. Okay, fine. Now, in this, he gets profit of 20% on apple. On apple, he got 20%. Profit on orange is 25%. Profit. If the ratio of the number of oranges, right? Number of oranges sold is 3:2. Sold is 3:2 ratio. So let us take this is 3x to x selling, right? What is the ratio of cost price of the orange and apple? Great. Cost price. You need to calculate. Is it right? What is cost price? Selling price into some manipulation. 100 by something. Something is nothing but depends upon profit and loss. Is it right? Then how to write? Yes. What is the, see here, fruit vendor, once again, equal revenue. What is the meaning of that first of all? What is equal revenue? Equal revenue means whatever the amount he used to get after selling apple, he is also getting the same amount from oranges. Is it right? Now, let me write clearly. Let me write clearly. So this part is CP. I'll write CP for what you call apple. Outright 3x into his selling price is this one into 100 by how much? 20% profit. I'll write 120. Here is CP for oranges. So 2x into 100 by, it is 25% profit. I'll write 125. So what is it? What is the ratio of cost price oranges to apple, not apple to oranges? I'll write first here, then next go here. 2x into 100 by 125 is to 3x into 100 by 120. Simplify first, cancel, xx cancel, cross it, 2 into 120, 3 into 125. So how to calculate 3 40s? Great. 5 8s, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are. So absolutely 16 is to 25. I hope you are clear. See the concept, remember, cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by something. If it is profit, I have taken addition. If it is loss, you take subtraction. Following my point? Hope you understood clearly. Question number 21. Is it right? Now, so I hope you people are very clear. Chaudhary, Dimple Chaudhary, very nice. Okay, let me do this one before going to finish this session. Right. So a thief steals a car at 2:30 p.m. and drives up this. So 2:30 p.m. he's stolen a car and he's traveling at 60 km per hour, right? So the theft is discovered at 3 p.m. So please clearly within half an hour he, what you call, identified within half an hour. What is his capacity? Per hour 60 kilometers. Half an hour means 30 kilometers he'll travel. So I'll write 30 kilometers away from what you call police. Now this is here thief. Thief speed is 60 kilometer per hour, right? And the owner speed is nothing but 75 kilometer per hour is given. Okay. When will he overtake the thief? So as per the given question, the gap between the owner and the thief is 30 kilometer. Now, when the thief is traveling in this direction, owner also traveling in the same direction. Now, so time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is equal to how much? 30. Speed. What speed I have to take? This speed or this speed? No. When the two objects are traveling in same direction, so we have to take the difference of the speeds. That is nothing but 15. So I'll write 15. So it is nothing but 2 hours. Great. So half an hour after 2 hours. What is the time? What is the time? From 3 to 2 hours, 5 p.m. Now, if you write clearly, 2:30 robbing, steals. So 3 o'clock, right? Owner got the message within 2 hours. So 5 p.m. he caught the thief. So this is the clear information. Here, two stage. This is one is within the what you call duration. Within the duration, whenever owner got the message. So how much distance covered by thief? Hope you understood clearly, right? So please subscribe our channel if you like it, right? So definitely tomorrow also at the same time, 10 to 11 o'clock, right? 10 to 11:30, sorry. So tomorrow we discuss about logical reasoning. Many of the questions which were appeared in the previous examinations, right? I hope you people are following everything, right? So thank you one and all who participated in this program. So thank you very much.